Natural Calm, the anti-stress drink. Benefits. Magnesium and calcium are fundamental nutrients that need to be in balance with each other in order for you to fully experience good health. Their importance on a cellular level is critical. Calcium and magnesium are like opposite sides of a coin. Calcium excites nerves, while magnesium calms them down. Calcium makes muscles contract. Magnesium is necessary for muscles to relax. Calcium is needed for blood clotting, but magnesium keeps the blood flowing freely. Description: a relaxing magnesium supplement. Vegan. Verified non-GMO. Restores healthy magnesium levels. Dietary supplement. Non-GMO project verified. Gluten-free. Deliciousliving Supplement Award 2015. Taste for Life Essentials Award winner 2015. Best of Supplements Award winner 2014. Betternutrition. Suggested use. Place powder in a glass or mug. Add 2 to 3 ounces of hot water. Let it fizz, then stir until dissolved. Fill with warm or cold water and enjoy. You can also simply add Natural Calm to a glass or bottle of cold water. Serving size. Individual needs may vary. Start with half a teaspoon, 1 gram, daily and gradually increase to 2 teaspoons, 4 grams, per day as needed. For best results, divide your daily amount of Natural Calm into 2 or 3 servings. Natural Calm can be taken with or without food. During times of stress or heavy physical activity, your body may need more Natural Calm. When bowels are comfortably loose, this is a good gauge of the optimal amount. Other ingredients. Ionic magnesium citrate, created from a highly absorbable proprietary blend of citric acid and magnesium carbonate. Contains no yeast, dairy, egg, soy, wheat, sugar, fructose, starch, preservatives or artificial color or flavor. Cruelty-free. Warnings. Keep out of reach of children. Amount of product in bottle is based on weight. Some settling may occur. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.